I am at Morgsland, White Rose Shopping Centre in Leeds. So let's do a lift tour. And that's the old Debenhams. It's becoming the new M&S. It was unknown what lift Debenhams had, but I'm guessing M&S has removed them. It's all been gutted. I've saw it from the outside. Unit's been gutted. I'm guessing the lifts have been gutted as well. And I'm guessing, I don't know what the lifts will be, probably like Zeta or something. Anyways, first into H&M, which has a MonoSpace. What? Has panachrome light sensors. It's weird. Monkey powered by EcoDisc. Capacity 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Installed 2011. MX logo. Actually, yo, what the hell? Oh, someone's going down it. I remember it's last going down it. Has that on the upper level. I thought I thought White Rose would have had an H&M for longer than this, but it doesn't. I was expecting it to. They only got an H&M in 2011. Down to ground. Calls it grounder buttons, like H&M Swansea. Yeah, it's sensors are triggering themselves. It's strange that it even has them. I feel like added at a later date. Let's get a cab view. Next lift. And this is probably the weirdest lift in the whole shopping centre. This used to be where the old BHS was, and I think this is a modernisation of the old BHS lift, but we don't know what the old BHS lift was. I don't know what those doors are, but wait till you hear the motor. Oh. Someone with a pram going. I feel a bit awkward filming. Okay. Attempt 2. And the door closed button doesn't work. So yeah, wait till you hear the motor on this lift. What? That sounds different. See the. To me, those sound like Otis doors. Listen. I've had a listen to them. Capacity 1250 kilos, 16 persons. Don't know if it's installed or modernised. Probably modernised like 2017, 2018. And that motor sounds different. The modernised by Tecno. That motor sounded different to what it did in how it did in Lift Inspector's video of this lift. It sounded more like a Zeta disc, so-called Zeta disc motor, or like an EcoDisc. I don't know. I don't know what that motor was. Maybe it's a modernised Gen 2. I guess we'll never know, but I definitely think it's this original lift. I definitely think it's the old BHS lift that next to the Modernised. That didn't last long. It's closing. Next into Primark. And this Primark still uses the old logo for whatever reason. It's a Gen 2 and it's broken. Gen 2 with Jumbo Dewhurst. Yeah, out of order. And the indicator's got lines on it. I don't think I've ever seen that before on Gen 2. Or maybe I have, I don't know. Might have seen videos of one. Ugh. Next into River Island. This was the old Next. So, I wonder what lift it'll have. I wonder if it's been replaced or if it's still the old Next lift. I think if it's not been replaced, then we already know what it is. Lift. And it's been replaced. Wow, with River Island. Means it is unknown what lift next time. Well, no, actually, no, we already know it was an Oakland, obviously. Well, we think we know it was an Oakland. But for whatever reason, River Island decided to replace this one with a Tecno. Tecno lift. Capacity 68 kilos, 8 persons. Installed 2017. Why is it in Italian? And that says 2018. Next, Liverpool Shopping Park Speak had that thing, and it said it was a year later. It actually said 2018, 27, installed 2017, coincidentally. Alright, which is quite nice. Feels quite nice as well. So next we've either had, well, Oakland with older Oakland or newer Oakland, and for whatever stupid, unnecessary reason, River Island got rid of it. Even though River Island don't tend to replace lifts, it seems to like I've seen a few mods. Let's just sit there, isn't it? Let's just sit there. I've seen a mod of an Oakland in River Island, which used to be a Next in Basingstoke, but I've never seen a full replacement. Don't get what the point of that was, but hey. And here was the old River. Here's the old River Island. Now I think it's obviously the old River Island, isn't it? Now it's a thing called Rethink Food. I don't know what lift it would have had, but maybe like a, I don't know. I can't see in, but I don't really want to go sleeping around. But I'm guessing probably a Gartec, a Aritco, an old Hi-Tec. And it's right opposite the new River Island. And next into Zara, which has an advanced lift. It's loud. Oh, is this a controller replaced? Oh, why not flash? Capacity 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Installed, I don't know what's installed. No voice. Yeah, I think it's might have a new controller actually. Can I announce a G? What on earth? Why is the side alarm button replaced with an Otis button? Zara, what is this? And those are weird. It's a bit time wasting. Next into New Look, which by the looks of things has been refurbished recently. And the lift is a MonoSpace. Obviously dating from before the refurbishment. What's got that like? 2-speed door.
Going up. Doors closing.
Capacity 13 persons, 1,000 kilos, installed 2012. This is quite new to use these fixtures in a New Look store. By this time they mostly switched over to KSS 420, I think it is. The type of same type of fixture that H&M had.
Doors closed.
It's a bit bad. But the green one is actually one with the green ring around it's not actually the public exit. That's not very good.
Floor 0.
Floor 0.
Doors open. Doors closed.
How's this? This is a side exit. This is possibly a 90s KONE hydraulic lift. So modernised by Orona with Dewhurst. Yeah, it's hydraulic.
Caso che un po' di che faccio.
Yo.
First floor, lift going down.
Right, I guess what's called it. Right, capacity 21 persons, 600 kilos, modernised. I don't know what it's stored on modernised. This looks ThyssenKrupp actually. And that looks like ThyssenKrupp. That's weird.
Ground floor, lift.
Oh no, it has that voice. Lift go. That looks like it might be replaced. I think that has been replaced again. Just the indicator's been like snapped over, but I don't know if the control's been replaced as well. I don't know. Clear motor. Hydraulics. He's got that glitchy thing on that as well. Next into the old M&S, which won't be open for much longer. This store is tiny. Has a UK lift. Why is that a down button? Oh. That's weird.
Door closing.
It's not that voice. With weird speaker. Capacity
Lift going up.
30 persons, 1,000 kilos. Hey, that voice is MRL though. Device is installed.
First floor, door opening. Door closing. Lift going down.
Is that as bad as new looking berry? Is it worse? Is that as bad?
Ground floor, door opening. Door closing.
Now to the main glass lifts, which are being replaced. Brand new lift being installed. We are putting some major investments to replace these two lifts. This lift will be going up and down again soon. You can find the alternative lifts inside. Next, Primark M&S. And you've got Comic Sans. Why? Why White Rose Shopping Centre? Your logo, yeah, White Rose. It's covered. It's official, the glass lifts at White Rose are being replaced. This might take ages. Whilst we're waiting, let's get some footage of the White Rose atrium. I think these are like some 90s KONE lifts that have been like slightly modernised by KONE, and one of them's been like modernised with like a different control or a different voice, or I think this one had like newer Dewhurst added to it, like modernised with newer Dewhurst. This was still the old buttons, I think that's the original button outside. I think it's one of the same button. It's outside. Not really too sure, and you can kind of see what they're doing with it. Oh, I can see better than this. The phone's gonna be able to see, but you can actually see the like. It's like a barrier in front of the lift, and then like there's like a thing going. I don't know. They're like something with the cables, maybe. I think that's like a bit of floor missing. I think the door might have been already got rid of, but yeah, I think it's a full replacement. I wonder what it's going to be replaced with. You can't see around the other side either because it's being blocked up. We'll be able to see when you go up though, won't we? Right, next. I think the next, when it comes down again, it's probably going to go up in it. Okay. Right, someone else is coming up in it, but they're going up in it. I think it's impossible to get a ride. Someone else in it. Indicators on the outside, it's a bit odd. Someone's big for airplane down there.
Doors closing. This lift is going up. Doors closing.
That is extension lead. The Dewhurst building on
Why are you doing that, Mama?
it. Yeah, I'm doing what?
Let's see that.
Floor 1. Doors opening. This lift is going down. Doors closing.
Capacity is 12 person, 1600 kilos. Number 7. I don't know if this is still Modernised or whatever. They're being replaced 2022/2023 probably.
Ground floor.
Don't really get a good look. I don't really get a really good view of that lift.
Doors opening.
Replaced. Oh, that answers that. It's not even there. It's been completely ripped out. I think it was just the doors, maybe like the front of it's still there and stuck on. They get like a hole through. I don't know. So go around and see what if there's anything there. 'Cause I think it's not up the top of the shaft either. Yeah, that's been ripped out. It's been completely ripped out. And one more thing. It's not lift related. Let's just take a look at what hand dryers this shop has. This one's lower. Oh. And well, I think that concludes the lift tour of White Rose Shopping Centre. And here's a bit more kind of view of what they're doing to the old Debenhams. Been gutted. And yeah, you can see getting ready for it to be M&S. And that is the end of this lift tour.